Every single day, I wake up wondering, what am I going to cook today? Honestly, it's exhausting, especially as a mom and a wife to a small family. Because right now, it's just me, my husband, my little baby who has not even really started eating, and my girl. So if you're out there and you are a mom, please come together, let's talk about this. And please, secondly, if you have a solution, like if you know a way you can actually help me, please, I need it right now. So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So basically in today's video, we're going to be talking about this particular issue. So get ready. If you have any answer, you have any solution, just get ready to help me and drop it on the comment section. Who knows, I'm going to be basically doing every single thing each one of you advise me on the comment section. When I got married, I never realized, or I never believed that deciding on what to cook every single day was going to be one of the most difficult thing for me in marriage. Like some days I just go to my kitchen, like I will just stand there for hours looking at the walls, looking at the fridge, looking at some of the food stuff I have, and still I'll be confused, like I'll be lost. And one bad thing about my house is if I don't cook, nobody will eat and nobody will even stand up to cook. Like my husband, literally when we were dating, he was like, I will cook for you breakfast on bed. I never knew that Oga was just whining me or Oga was just checking me. Yes, sometimes he cook. Yes, let me just be honest, sometimes my husband cook. Don't worry, more vlogs will be coming soon, most especially when I finally jackpot. Yes, more vlogs will start coming on this channel, so that you guys can see my husband cooking skill. But that is by the way, to the extent that there was this particular day I spent 1 hour. It's not even far. This is just like last week Thursday, that I was meant to go for antenatal, but the hospital cancelled it. Is it really antenatal? No, I was meant to go and give my son injection, so the hospital cancelled it and was like I should come back the upper week. Guys, I spent more than 1 hour thinking of what to make for breakfast, like thinking of what to actually make for breakfast. At the end of the day, I went ahead and I bought noodles because I had spark but I didn't have noodles. Like I went ahead to buy noodles and I make. I don't know, for disclaimers out there, it's not that I'm a lazy wife, or secondly, it's not that maybe there's no money to get the food stuff or there's no money to cook. Every single thing is available, but I don't just know why it's so difficult for me. Like some days I even go ahead to meet my husband and I'll be like, babe, what do we eat for tonight? You just tell me, go ahead and do what is on your mind, cook your favorite. And I'll be like, I don't have favorites. I don't have favorite. Should I cook yours? So basically in my house, sometimes I mainly cook my husband's favorites. Like his favorite are swallow, soup. So one thing I do sometimes is that once I'm done doing his favorite, then I'll not go ahead and eat what I want to eat, which is to take biscuit and tea. Yes, or to eat noodles, because that is basically what I eat. Guys, like when I say it's really frustrating, it's really draining. I don't know if I'm the only one though, but being able to decide on what to cook on daily basis is one of the most toughest and difficult part of my life right now. Like there was a period that I went to Google to search for food timetable, like food timetable. I don't know if I still have that paper in my house. I would have shown you guys. I literally went to Google, I browsed daily timetable, what to cook in the morning, afternoon and night. Lo and behold, I brought it out and I pasted it on my kitchen wall. And my husband came out and he looked at it and he was like, are you going to stick to it? Will you do it? And I said yes, I was going to do it. Thank God I was able to do the first, that is the Monday own. I was able to achieve it because back then we were having constant lights. So I was able to prepare a stew and soup, and I put it in the fridge, and that morning I was able to do the normal breakfast, which is bread and tea with egg. That day passed. Tuesday I went back to what I had in the kitchen, in the fridge, till the whole food finished. I was not able to do the timetable again. I just woke up one morning and I tore it into pieces and I flinged it. Like it's just so frustrating. It's not that I don't know how to cook. Like if you guys test my meal, I'm not saying this maybe because of I am on your screen. I actually owned a lounge last year in the mainland and I was the brain, like I was literally the chef. So basically, everybody that ate my cooking and my food back then, they were like, "Oh, ma, your husband married a real wife. Oh, don't worry, you all are going to be seeing my cooking skills very, very soon on this channel." Yeah. So it's not that I am lazy, or it's not that I don't know how to cook. I don't just know what to decide. And speaking of how I was raised, I didn't grow with my mom, like my biological mom. I grew with my sweet mother, like my second mom, and she's Delta Igbo. Like, she knows this woman cook every single day. My mom, my second mom, she cooks every single day. Like, our fridge is always filled with food, and we are just two, her daughter and me, with my cousin brother, which is her son. We are just three. So basically, I am always with her in the kitchen. I know how to cook a lot of Delta soup. Is it black soup? Is it starch? Is it banga? I know how to cook. Is it ofe ujuju? I don't know if you're out there and you know ujuju soup. Is it how to cook ujuju soup? I know how to do all these things. But see me now in my husband's house, I don't just know how. In fact, I don't just know how to come out with meal plan. And I think another thing that could actually be affecting me also is the time in cooking, especially now that I am now a YouTuber. Like, being a YouTuber is draining. Being able to run two channels is draining. Being able to take classes, like, guys, I really want to change. Honestly, I really want to do more. So if you're out there, you can just share with me how you are able to cope, like how you are able to do all these things. Like, I know definitely deep down I can't be the only wife and the only mother suffering this. So please, I am on my knees right now. If you out there, you know a way of handling this particular issue, please share it in the comment section, because at this point, honestly, I'm going to start writing down all your comments and I'll be using them as my daily meal plan. Yes. So guys, I believe we can be able to achieve this in unity and in love. And if you are a mom out there, you're also facing this, also drop it in the comment section so that I'll know that I'm not the only one alone in this particular issue. So guys, this video we have to stop here so that we can continue it in the comment section. And if you've watched to this extent, you've not yet subscribed to be part of my amazing family, please do well to subscribe. Like this video if you have not liked it, drop me a comment, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Okay, let me just do a small dance for you guys. Ayebo, ayeba, somebody call it popo, assalamu alaikum, yanda, kanade, yanda, Casablanca, casa, 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 Casablanca. Alright guys, bye, and see you all in my next video.